चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
And let's go across to Riyanka, who continues to be with us. Riyanka, once again talk us to the security measures in place, especially the three-layered security at the Rashtrapati Bhavan and even the national capital for that matter, where prohibitory orders remain in place.
That's right. Several security measures have been kept in place, keeping in mind the big day today, and multiple routes have been set for the movement, be it for the Prime Minister this very morning and all the several dignitaries who will be moving forward in the evening. There will be several movements along all through the day at the Prime Minister residence as well, because several leaders will be coming and meeting him. For now, let us also tell you that Prime Minister is en route, the National War Memorial. In a bit from now, we will be getting all the visuals from the National War Memorial, where the Prime Minister will be paying his tributes to the martyrs. Now, moving ahead, let's talk about the security in the national capital. What we know that the Rashtrapati Bhavan will be under a 5-layered security. This is what we are getting to know. It is going to be a security blanket for the Prime Minister's swearing-in ceremony in the entire national capital. There has been deployment of several forces today because, as I rightly mentioned, there will be movement of the leaders. On the other hand, there are several security barriers that have been set up in and around the areas of the Rashtrapati Bhavan and also at the areas of the central Delhi, especially at the locations of the Prime Minister's residence and the other leaders' residences as well. In fact, several grand hotels have been booked and the security has been beefed up there as well, because the top dignitaries, be it from the international front and the national front as well, they have been staying at these particular multi-star hotels in the national capital. From there, they will be moving ahead to meet the Prime Minister, and then followed by their movement for the Prime Minister's oath-taking ceremony in the evening. Well-designated routes will be provided to the attending dignitaries, as I mentioned, for their travel between their hotels and the venue. This is what I rightly mentioned. Top leaders from Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, they all have arrived in the national capital for this evening's mega event. And also, on the other hand, we know that security measures have been taken up in multiple roads and areas, not just Delhi police but also the SPG. They have been stationed at all these important locations. So in terms of security front, everything has been kept under check. The security is tight amid the power pack schedule of Prime Minister Narendra Modi today, as he goes ahead and takes oath for his historic third term along with his cabinet leaders.